I thought I would show you another new addition to Studio Social Systems. If you look here, we have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. We now have 28 studios. When I started this program, we had 3. So we did add pricing guides as a request by one of our members. So now when you go in here, as usual, it's the same drag and drop system. All you do is click on it and you can add an image. So if we just add here, and then we can add another one here, and then we can add another one here, and then we can add another one here. So you can add images, to each of the pages. As always, just kind of drag and drop. And when you come here, you can see different options. You can see, are you doing digital only? Are you doing it with products? Newborn, maternity, cake smash, all of these different options. There's all these different templates, weddings, branding and headshots, events, pets, whether you're doing digital only or products. The page size, A4, A10, US letter, different fonts, different paper, text size, color size, and then you can save to your designs, you can save draft. I will refresh this so you can size images, and then you just come in here and you can add a page and you can look at all of these different templates. And as always, we'll add more templates, but these are kind of just sample templates that you can use. So that's it. A new addition to Social Studio System. Also new this past week was our session guides, and we have client guides and session guides in here. And so, and there's also, there's pricing guides, session guides, client guides. So if we come into session guides, cake smash, maternity, family, newborn is under client guide because that's where we originally had it, and I just didn't want to move it. So if you go to client guides, this is for the newborn prep guide. But then if you go to session guides, it's all of the rest of the guides. And we did add a welcome guide. So that is a new addition as well. And you can just modify everything, and all you have to do is drag and drop your images.